and the clover's just in bloom. A cheerful bird song woke me up and chased me right out of my room. Sunshine beams through the leaves and branches, and the pines stand tall and proud. Dandelions dazzle and the nectar flows, and tiny forest critters shout out loud. The grass is green, the sky is blue, the brook is bound with friends, and so are you. We'll seize that day for endless play, picnic and party, that's our woodland way. Danger lurks, but we'll be fine. I've got your back, I'm lucky you got mine. Honeycomb and apple tree, there'll be plenty here for you and you and you and me.
A spring snowstorm.
Oh, get away!
back here!
Oh, stay away from me! Leave me alone! Help!
I'm gonna tag you and bag you.
He was not defeating us! Babu, let's go!
Where'd they go? So, we meet again. You know what, monkeys? You'd look great in the circus. Huh?
Hey, looky there! I defeat him! Huh?
You sure about that?
That's right. Tinky, are you sure you didn't have a little bit of help?
I don't asking for help. I was just about defeating him when you come.
We don't need your help.
Hang on there. We heard you screaming.
What thing are you talking about?
I mean, you are a
No,
coward.
I'm not.
Easy, guys.
Coward.
Come on, Warren. The ice honey should be ready by now.
Honey.
I am not a coward. I be proving to them that I am strongly. I know.
This is an emergency.
Look
A
at
storm
this
is coming.
one.
This is an emergency. A snowstorm is coming. 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 This is an emergency. A snowstorm is coming.
I see you are receiving my invitation.
Sure did. Reminds me of a marshmallow.
No, it is a snowstorm.
A snowstorm?
But there's no sign of a snowstorm coming.
A snowstorm?
The weather is fine.
Why would I lying? I am your pal. Listen, I getting the news from Victor TV. So it being real, I tell you.
Oh?
The TV weather is very, very reliable. And I am a weather pro. You cannot take me by sending some fruit.
Then why have we had no signs yet?
That's right, liar.
I would never be lying to you. Look, over there. Over there. Yes, over there. Right there.
Over there? Where, huh?
There. See those thick clouds? They be the sign. It's obvious.
Maybe he is right.
Anyway, I have been warning all of you. You can be pleasing yourself.
Briar.
He's got a point there.
Babu, go preparing.
Hey, Bramble, this way.
Sire, wait for me.
My plan is working perfectly.
That boss of mine sure is an old Scrooge. He doesn't give a dime about me, only about his timber. Fabian, what you doing? What's this thing? Even I draw better. Huh? Should I believe a cat? I don't know. There was no mention of a snowstorm on the weather report today. Hang on. I've heard that animals are more sensitive to the weather and natural disasters. Hmm? Looks like a snowstorm really is coming. I guess I better get ready. Huh? It's not even snowing yet. What? It's spring now. Someone's tricking me. Oh, who would do that to me? Fabian!
Tiki, is this some kind of a joke? It didn't even snow a bit, let alone a snowstorm. Tell me, why did you lie to us?
Tiki, I plan to learn skiing this winter.
Relax, relax. Listen, Vic not getting 1 treat this whole month long. You can take me anytime.
Thank you, sir.
Tiki, that is not on. You lied to us, bro.
That's right.
We were anxious every day. We were even too scared to go outside. It was unbearable. Tiki, we were bored to death.
Even though your intention was to save the woods, you shouldn't have lied to us, Tiki. I thought we were all friends.
Friends we are. And you should be thanking me. Also, I helping you all to saving our beautiful forest. Babu, that right, yeah?
That's right, sire.
You still lied. So I don't care if your intention was good or not. Tiki, you went too far.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you went too far,
Too
Tiki.
far! Listen, I was helping you. I am the wisest one, you know it. I'm using my brain in order to defeating Vicky, unlike you. Only knowing violence.
It's up to us how we behave. And you're a time waster. Come on, let's go, guys.
Tiki, I'll never believe you
You
again.
heard him.
Yeah, that's right. And you're not our friend.
Huh? You are just jealous, Joe.
Sire!
I'm so mad. We wasted a whole month.
Help! Help! Vic has got Tiki!
Tell
Tell
us.
us.
Sire was captured by Vic!
What?
Stand still. Don't go breaking my precious bowls now. Hey, smells delicious. Would you be liking a taste? You know you want to. Come on, monkey. Too bad, because it ain't for you, Fabian. Yummy. That was the best banana I've ever had. What's wrong? Not liking the taste of your own medicine?
Huh?
Oh. Right.
Brian, what's going on?
Come here. I got a plan.
Who's that? Whoa! Who put that there? How strange. Oh. Well, I wonder what's inside of it. Another layer. A pretty leaf.
Come on, faster. Get out of there. Come on.
No way! Yeah, who's there? I'm a little bit busy.
Oh, are you now?
Oh, why? Hi there, Boss Lee.
Have you finished this month's quota?
Well, you see, allow me to explain.
No need. Let me guess. You didn't finish your work. And you know what that means? Bye bye wages.
Boss, just listen. Boss? Hello?
Tiki, even though you stopped longer Vic, you still owe us an apology.
Bramble, hold on. Tiki, listen to me. You're still our friend.
Really? Oh, thank you for forgiving me. I'm loving you guys.
No more lying.
Yeah. I am deciding to having a party, so please be bringing some food. It would be a very large celebration for me.
That's great! Oh yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Woo!
Goodbye, Winter. I'll miss you.
In the forest there's only one thing I love more than anything. It's so irresistible. It's all that I need. Oh, the apples, berries, pears, bananas, or plums just can't compare. No, I'm a bear, so I need that wonderful glaze inside me. Oh, I can just taste that sticky taste of honey, warm in the grizzly heart within me. Nothing else in this whole world could quite compare. And I would eat you at every meal and snack time. Honey, oh won't you please just be mine? You think that I'm out of my mind? I just